Good morning everyone, hope you're all okay. Right, I'm coming on to have a bit of a play with alcohol inks. Last week you might have seen Antonio from Antonio Makes. He opened a package that I sent to him, and I'd sent him one of these bags, only it was nicer than this one, that I'd done a long time ago, and he asked me what I'd used, and I said, well, I'd used alcohol inks and I'll come on and show you. So I did this last night. I thought I'd only got one bag left, but I've got quite a few, and they're like foil. Yeah, like a foil bag, and what my lovely friend Penny gave me. I don't know whether they're like some sort of food bag, or I don't really know what they are, but sort of a foily sort of thing. But yeah, it was with alcohol ink, so I just did that one last night, which isn't brilliant. That one hasn't come out brilliant. Then I did this one. Did that side. Oh, the light is terrible. It's really, whether that'll make it better. And then I've just done that side this morning on that one, and then I had a play with pinks and purples as well, so nothing on that side. I've not played with my alcohol inks for quite a while. I'm going to come back on and do another video with something else to do with alcohol inks as well. So I'll have another go on this side. And I use these sort of raisin and the Adirondack inks, Ranger ones. Espresso, what's that one? Sunset Orange. I think these are the ones, red pepper and whatever colour that is. Can't see what colour that one is. Oh, Valencia. So sometimes I like put some, and I sometimes use the isopropyl. I'll show you. That I get from eBay. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that on my sponge. I don't always do this. I think last night I just did it straight onto the bag. So I use a bit of it. Probably come out totally different colours, but it doesn't matter. That's the Valencia. This is the red pepper. Oh, it's all good fun, isn't it? I know these are only tiny bottles, but it seems to last for ages. What's this one? Espresso. It's a bit darker one. And the thing with these is, if you don't like it, just rub your blending tool over, or your finger, and smudge it all and use that as the base. I've used that one. And what have I used? Can't remember what I've used now. Valencia, the red one. Did I use espresso or raisin? Oh, I don't know. That's all I was doing. And then you can just put the tip in, and some seem to work better than others. Oops, that one's coming out a lot. I was just swishing it around a little bit. So if you do it with your, go over it, oh, I'll do it on another one. Go over it with a base colour to start with. But they all tend to mingle in. So that's all I did, Antonio. Look how they're, you see how they're going. how it's all going into. I'm going to leave that one like that. I might come back to that later, but I'm going to leave that like that and go on to a different colour. We'll go, oops, get out. We'll go on to the purple one. And, oh, because I sprayed this and then I didn't use it, did I? So, or did I use it? Can't remember now whether I did that on there or not. So we use the purple ones. In actual fact, I might spray a bit more on. Because we can. We use wild plum. I know what we'll do. We'll do this, look. Telling you one thing and then I'm not doing it. Got a lot to do today and something, I won't say what, but something via email that I've got to sort out that I seem to be not being able to get across to the person what I mean. This is Amethyst. That one's coming out quite a lot. Right, I'm just going to go back to this one. Look how that's, I've obviously put too much on there. Oh, this one's pretty though, look. And you can just keep playing because it's fun. It's pretty, but you do only need a little bit. And hopefully they'll stop like that. See, I like that. But then if you wanted to go back in the middle, oh, I want to dab it, but it's too runny. Yeah, I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave that like that. So that's that one. And they do dry quite quickly. Should we do another purple one? Hope you can see that. So the lighting is absolutely dreadful. What the colours have I got? What's this one? Purple Twilight. This was one of my first ones. I must have had this 5 or 6 years and I have used them a lot, just not so much recently. What else have we got? Eggplant. Ooh, that's a dark one. This one is Amethyst. I just think they're wonderful. I love it. They're just so pretty. Oh, running out of room now. Reminder to self, don't sit back on your chair because you've just put papers on it with alcohol ink on. Right, let's have a look back at this one. These colours are not turning out too good, are they? Put that over there. Let's have a look. Let's see what will happen if we spray some of this on. Wow! Oh, yes! Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, now that's nice. It's nice. What's this colour? butterscotch. Let's have a look at butterscotch. It's pretty much the same colours. Ooh, but we've got a bit of difference going on there. Now that's better. And I quite like seeing the little bits of silver coming through. Oh yeah, that's better, isn't it? Silver coming through as well. I think the one I sent Antonio had got some butterscotch in, if I remember rightly. It's these sort of colours, as opposed to that's a bit darker. I might go back onto that one later on. Fun, 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 fun. It's all good fun. Right, what else? What else shall we do now? Shall we do a greeny blue one? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. There's two more colours, some more colours up there. These are my nearly empty ones, I think. Yeah. Righty, righty. That's green. Just go straight on here this time. That is limeade. This is one of my newer ones that Mr. Doodle bought me last year. I haven't used a lot of. In fact, I don't know whether I have used it. That's so pretty. Clover. What's that one? So that's citrus. It's probably the same as the limeade one. Excuse me muttering to myself. See, that one's not coming out as fast. Mind you, it's probably because it's nearly empty. What else shall we have? Sailboat blue. It's coming out quite fast. Oh, he's so good. I don't know whether you've got any alcohol inks, Antonio, but if you haven't, then you need some. You need them. You need them. You need them in your life. Cool. What else? Yeah, so this is just on foil bags, and I have in the past used it on beer cans, cut beer cans, or you know, Coke tins or something. Like, oh, look how that's going, got like a different effect there, on cut open beer cans, but you obviously have to be careful because they are sharp then. So that's that one. Oh, too much. Too much. Yes, so that's my little play for this morning with, say, sort of a foily bag. A foily bag. It's a foily bag. Say it's nice that is like the one I sent Antonio, but I don't think there was bits of silver left in, but I like that. So I hope that's helped you, Antonio. Where's the purple one gone? Oh, they're behind me, look, on my seat. And just keep going over till you like it. Right, that's it. I shall finish this video and then start another one while I've got inky fingers. So take care everyone, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.